This is the Engwe L20 2.0. This bike is so sleek, and you know the color green? I had never seen one in green, and I got to choose this color, and I love the greens now. It seems to be the hot thing. But not only does it look beautiful, but this seat, honestly, it feels like velvet. I have never felt a seat like this before. And of course, it folds, and it folds up super compact. So, that said, I'm going to bring you closer and show all that up close. Right here is the LED screen, and right here is how you're going to turn it on. Anyway, so here, this is going to tell you your battery, how full the strength it's at. This is going to tell you your miles per hour, how fast you're going, and this is going to tell you your trip information. That said, for even further trip information, you're going to push this button right here. And if you can see, it's going to give you all that information. For the pedal assist, the plus or the minus. So if I want to go up, I can go up to 5 level pedal assist, or I'll push the minus button and it'll take you down. And this button right here is going to turn your headlight on. It has these great handlebar grips. They just fit right in the palm of your hand, and it makes it feel really secure, and then easy access to the brakes. On this side, you have the right handlebar with the back brakes. Again, easy access there. Right here are the Shimano gears. And right here is the throttle. So you don't have to pedal, you can just pull this forward while you're riding, and you are cruising. It has this great suspension fork and these great all-terrain tires with disc brakes. And you know, one of the most important parts, the bell. It has this great saddle, and again, I have never felt anything like this in a saddle. It feels like velvet to me. I know it's not. Really comfortable though, and of course here, you can adjust to your height. This is the battery, and it comes with a set of 2 keys. It has a sturdy kickstand, and here's where the motor is housed. And the back brake light. It has this great back bike rack, and as you can see, it says Max 25 kg. Right here is where you're going to charge your battery. You don't even have to take your battery out to charge it. You can just plug it in here, and you're set to charge. It also comes with a front rack, and this one has Max 8 kg. So you can really carry a lot of stuff on this bike. To get to the battery, all you have to do is flip this up and tip the seat forward, and then you can just grab the handle. So we're going to push this button forward and open it. And then you just fold it like that. And then for the handlebar, you're just going to lift this up and bring this out, and you're just going to fold it down. And these pedals are really neat. All you have to do is push that in and put that up. The Engwe L20 2.0 comes in 3 different colors: rose pink, sea green, and onyx black. The powerful hub motor makes cycling so much easier, allowing you to enjoy a new level of convenience in life. The L20 2.0 is not just for your daily routine, but a gateway to a healthier lifestyle. It can go up to 80 miles on one charge, which is 60% longer than its competitors. The Engwe L20 2.0 can be easily folded by 3 steps and stored in the trunk of a car, empowering you to venture into where you have never explored before. And having both front and rear racks, it offers enhanced cargo carrying capabilities. It has 180 millimeter disc brakes, which provide superior braking power and reliability. The LCD display helps you keep track of your riding essentials such as speed, pedal-assisted levels, and battery levels at a glance. The specially designed ergonomic seat was crafted to support your posture on every journey. And the step-through frame helps you get on and off with ease. And it's equipped with the front fork and post suspension system that help you glide over bumps and rough terrain effortlessly. It's made of aluminum alloy, has 20 by 3-inch tires, and a motor of 1125 watt peak and 750 watt rated. It has a torque of 75 Nm, a lithium-ion battery, and a max speed of 28 miles per hour. It can go up to 28 miles in throttle mode and 84 miles in pedal assist mode. It has Shimano 7-speed gears. It takes about 6.5 hours to fully charge, and the weight is 68.3 pounds. The recommended rider height is between 5.4 and 6.2 feet, and the maximum load capacity is 264 pounds. In a comparison between the L20 2.0 and the L20, the price for the 2.0 is $799 and the L20 is $999. The motor for the 2.0 is a 750 watt, 52 volt, 75 Nm compared to the L20, which is a 750 watt, 48 volt, 50 Nm. The L20 2.0 has front fork and post suspension, while the L20 only has single front suspension. The battery for the L20 2.0 is a 52 volt, 13 amp hour, while the L20 has only a 48 volt, 13 amp hour. Right now until March 11th, 2024, Engwe is having a sign up and win one of 50 giveaways. Just go to the website and you can sign up. So if you don't know, I'm in Florida. Look at how beautiful this day is. And I just want to remind you too that e-bikes, you need to be safe when you're riding e-bikes because they can go over 20 miles per hour. So we always wear a helmet. Safety first. All right, you know what we say? Let's ride. What a great ride. If you don't know, I live and travel in my van. It's a Class B. And so this is the perfect thing because I don't always want to take the van into town. And so I'll just hop on here and I'm actually in town right now. I'm in a very small town in Florida. And so this is where we come to get our groceries. I showed you I went to the Ace Hardware. There's a post office there. It's all right here. And so if you saw the rough roads that I had to go over to get here, and that's just what it's like in the back country here. But it's also great like on city streets and anywhere you need to take it, it's going to get you there. And so this Engwe L20 2.0, I have to say it, 2.0, is going to be your best companion, and it folds up so conveniently that you can pretty much take it anywhere. So I am going to put the link and the code down below, and you yourself can take a look and see if this is for you, and you can have one too and go exploring. And don't let anybody, I don't know if you can tell, I am sweating. And I know a lot of people say, oh, e-bikes, you aren't going to get a workout. Yes, you are. So it's pedal assist. So it's whatever you want assistance with. If it's just one, you're still pedaling and working out and sweating. It just helps you get up like those little hills or bumps. And like I said, it's 1 to 5 that you can have pedal assist. So you don't even need to put the pedal assist on. And so, yes, it is a workout. Okay, I'm going to leave you
Okay.
here. You go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van to have an adventure. You can just buy one of these, the Engwe L20 2.0, and you got yourself an adventure right in this package. Okay, go call someone you love. And as Joy says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.